Create new project of 1280 by 720 pixels. Import your background image. Then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur. Then select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Change the color of rectangle. Then change the opacity to 74% and fill to 60%. Then again apply Gaussian blur on rectangle. Import character image to project. Then create a new empty layer and select brush tool. Change color of brush and adjust size and hardness of brush. Now tap 2 or 3 times and drag this layer under character layer. Create a solid color adjustment layer. Right-click on layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Now select white mask and press Ctrl+I to invert the mask, then make sure white color is selected and then select brush tool and follow the steps. Change blending to soft light. Then press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer and again select Create Clipping Mask, then go to Effect and select Outer Glow. Again change rectangle opacity to 74 and fill to 60. Now select the Type tool and write your text. Select font according to you. Here the I used is a Cumin variable concept. Now select both text and group it. Now duplicate the text and press Ctrl+E. Right-click on small rectangle and select Pixels options. Then go to Select Modify and then Expand. Enter the value 10, then change the color and press Alt+Backspace. Press Ctrl+D to deselect the selection. Now select the text and then go to Effect Gradient Overlay. Then again go to Effects and select Inner Glow. Duplicate the text by holding Ctrl+J. Edit your text and change color. Select Vertical Type tool. Again duplicate the text. Go to Effects, Drop Shadow. Now import the effect PNG image and adjust the image. Place the image below the character. Create an adjustment hue saturation layer. Make sure to click on Colorize and Clipping Mask. Select the layer and press E for eraser. Erase extra parts according to you. Import another electric effect image. Also place this image below the character and text layer. Create a hue saturation adjustment layer. Click on Colorize and Clipping Mask. Import smoke image and change blending to screen. Again, create a hue saturation adjustment layer. Click on Colorize and Clipping Mask. Select Smoke and erase extra part. Duplicate the smoke layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Duplicate hue saturation layer. Right-click and select Create Clipping Mask. Again, select Eraser and erase extra part.